The loser for me have the three aspects. The first aspect is man who born in this world is in principle is loser.
First of all, you have to understand that he left Soviet Union and I left Soviet Union. So my first reason was this is not Soviet Union anymore.
People are coming from all over the world for the opening. It's a huge international art event.
He wasn't returning to be crowned where everything was a sure outcome at all. Quite the contrary.
I think contemporary art really modernizes a country, which is something that is very important for Russia.
It's not a catastrophe, it's definitely something is very crucial. It's being changed at the moment. We are deciding our fate, our future fate at the moment.
Kunst ist die andere Welt. Mensch muss lassen seine normale Körper und seine Mentalität und seine bla bla bla. Da kommt in andere Raum.
Dear son, you asked me to write down the story of my life. By that time, in 1922, my father had begun to waste away before our eyes.
The Soviet life for us is like a climate life. Every day is raining.
You know, I never saw this book. I never knew it existed. And it says Jews. Okay, that's my name. Jew.
From 1957 to 1979, he showed his work for 2 nights. The idea that you'd even have a public, that you'd have people walking in you did not know, it was incredibly strange for him.
Also because he was an official artist. He did something that he wasn't really supposed to.